Hi boys and girls, this lesson is for Foundations, Unit 11, Week 1, Day 1. Our learning goals today is that I can read and spell first grade words with consonants, short vowels and digraphs, glued sounds, R-controlled vowels, and vowel teams. And we will also be talking about long vowel sounds. So this is new today, so take a minute and take a look at my new chart that we have here. You will see that there are all the vowels in the alphabet: A, E, I, O, and U. However, as you look at these vowels, you'll see there are two pictures. So the first picture here is for the short vowel sound, and the second picture here is for the long vowel sound. So I'm going to say the letter, the keyword, and the sound, and you echo me. A, apple, A. Good job. A, safe, A. Good job. So the the short A sound goes A, and the long A sound goes A. E, ed, E. E, P, E. Good job. So as you saw there, E has a short sound that goes E, and the long sound that goes E. I, itch, I, pine, I. Good job. And as you see there as well, I has two sounds, a short sound, I, and the long sound, I. O, octopus, ah. O, home, O. Good job. The short O sound goes ah, and the long O sound goes O. So U has two long sounds. So I'll start with the short one, and then we'll talk about the long U sound. U, up, up. Good job. Now the long U sound. U, mule, U. Good job. U, rule, ooh. Great. All right, so now we're going to spell some words, and you are going to start seeing some long vowel sounds in these words. Op. What is this word? Hop. Good job. Now I'm going to make it so the O is the long O sound. I'm going to put an E at the end here. So instead of hop, I'm going to make the long O sound. Listen as I do that. O. P. Tap this word out with me. This word is hope. Tap it with me. O. P. Hope. How many sounds did you count in the word hope? Tap it out one more time if you need to. Good job. There are 3 sounds in the word hope, but there are 4 letters in this word, and I'm going to explain to you why. So what this E is here is the E is actually the busiest letter in the alphabet. It constantly volunteers to help out, and whenever it volunteers, it keeps its mouth shut. So it actually doesn't say anything when you see a word pattern like this. So when you see a vowel, consonant E, a lot of times it just makes this vowel sound the long vowel sound, and the E stays nice and quiet at the end. So this word spelled hope. Don't worry, I'm going to show you some more examples of this. All right, so the next word, k, a, p. What does that spell? Good job, cap. That was easy. But I'm going to stick an E on the end of that word. So it's no longer cap. This E here, this vowel consonant E, is going to fly over and make this A make the long A sound. Do you remember what the long A sound is? Yeah, good job, A. So let's see if we can tap this word out and figure out what it says. K, A, P. Good job. We don't make any sound for that E at the end. K, A, P. What is this word? You got it. The word is cape. So this little E at the end turned cap into cape simply by making the A make the long A sound. All right, let's keep trying. So this word is tap. What is that word? Good job, tap. Now let's see what happens when I put an E at the end of this word. So I put an E at the end of tap, and it's no longer tap. Can you tell me what this word is? Good job. The word is tape. T-A-P. So remember, every time you see the vowel consonant E, that spelling pattern usually means that that vowel is going to make the long vowel sound. Let's do one more. So this word, tap this word out and see if you can figure it out. R-I-S. That sounds a little funny to me. Sometimes when you see the vowel E spelling pattern and there's an S, the S isn't going to make the S sound like we're used to. It's actually going to make the same sound that it sometimes makes when it's a suffix. Do you remember what that is? Good job. It's a Z sound. So let's tap it out and make that Z sound. R-I-Z. Let's do it one more time. Tap it with me. R-I-Z. Yeah, that word is rise. Look at this pretty sunrise. I'm going to show you one more with the S that makes the Z sound. See if you can tap this word out and read it all by yourself. Good job, boys and girls. Now tap it out with me. W-I-Z. Wise. Remember that S makes the Z sound. There's a little wise Yoda for you. All right. You guys are doing great. Now you are going to help me, and you're going to actually be the one spelling these words. So you will probably need a dry erase board, or you might want a paper and pencil, whatever works best for you. Grab your materials, hit pause while you do that, and then hit play when you're ready to go. Okay, boys and girls, I hope you are ready to spell some words with the long vowel sound and an E at the end. So this first word that we are going to spell is rope. Let's tap it out together. R-O-P. Good job. I heard 3 sounds. R-O-P. Now that vowel sound is the long O sound. So think about what might be at the end of your word. Write your word down and hit play when you're ready to see the answer. Okay, boys and girls, I hope you all spelled the word rope. Let's spell this word together. R-O-P. Am I done, guys? Now I forgot something. Can you figure out what I forgot? Good job. I forgot that E at the end. That E is what makes this O make the long O sound. So instead of saying R-O-P, I'm using the long O sound, and it's going to go R-O-P, rope. Great job, boys and girls. All right, the next word is like. See if you can spell the word like. All right, guys, hope you're all set. Let's spell the word like together. L-I-K. What goes at the end? You got it. An E goes at the end, and that makes the I make the long I sound. Do you remember what the long I sound says? Good job. I. You guys are doing a great job. We will keep working on words like this throughout the week, but in the meantime, keep an eye out and see if you can find it in your reading.